Hey you guys, welcome back to yet another video. Today we are in my laundry room again and we are going to be painting. So I just wanted to first take you guys around the laundry room and show you how it looked after I was done with all the prep work on the walls, and I even managed to put on some plugs and a light fixture for my laundry because there was none prior to this. I did everything all by myself, of course, but the main focus today is painting. And on this wall also I ended up adding more of that waterproofing because I noticed that my wall wasn't properly waterproofed. But yeah, let's get into the video of painting today. So here I am mixing my paints. The one in a bigger container, it's white paint by Gillette, and I mixed it with this Excelsior forest green color. I don't know the exact color, but my color that I wanted was sage green. So I am mixing these two to achieve that look. It is small things like mixing paint, you guys, that are so satisfying. Just look at the waves on this paint, you guys. It is so beautiful and so relaxing. And anyways, you guys, if you haven't done so already, please consider to subscribe to my channel and do like this video so that it can reach more audience, and do share with your friends and family as well. You guys, I am so in love with the way my paint job turned out. I love the color itself, and I also love the fact that it doesn't show many of the imperfections that I noticed prior to painting. Also, I am not too worried about them in any case, because I am gonna be putting up storage here, so most of that is gonna be covered anyways. And yeah, if you guys haven't done so already, please consider to subscribe to my channel and like this video so that it can reach more audience, and please do share it with your friends and family as well. And until then, I will see you on my next video.